Good morning and welcome to our 5th math class. We're doing glass blob math today. So you are going to take from your learning kit, from your red folder, you're going to take out your grid. You're going to take out your glass blobs, a dry erase marker, and some dice. And you're going to need a muffin tin. Hopefully you have something like this hanging around the house. All right, so before we start doing the actual math, I always start with a little challenge with the materials. So in this case, we're going to have them just gently pour out their glass blobs, have a nice surface, open surface for them to work with. So I'm just going to flatten them out, and I'm going to challenge these kids to make a circle. So you're going to be making the outside edges nice and round, and you're going to make a round shape like this. Now I want you to try to make a square. So what would you do? To make a square, we need 4 equal sides. So we're going to just flatten out the edges on the sides and the top and the bottom. And there's a square. All right, I want you to try making a heart. So let's see, with a heart, you're going to want to have a pointy on the bottom and then two big humps on the top. Smooth it out. Can you make a heart? I heart you. Or you can challenge yourself to make some other shapes. So the next thing we're going to do for our warm-up, getting our math brains working, is we're going to take our grid, and you're going to make a series of patterns on your grid. So here's an example of a very simple one. Blue, red, green. Blue, red, green. What would be next? Blue, then red, then green. I want you to come up with some more complicated ones. Here's one that would be a little bit more complicated. How about something like this? 2 orange, a green, a clear, and 3 reds. 2 oranges, a green, a clear, and 2 reds. 2 oranges, green, clear, red, red, red. Orange, orange, green, clear, red, red, red. Orange, orange, green, clear, red, red, red. Okay, I want you to make 3 more interesting patterns, okay? So here's the next thing you're going to do. We are going to be sorting our glass blobs into categories. There's a lot of different types here, so we're going to put them in their categories so that we can do some interesting math assignments with them, okay? So let's go ahead and put all of our blues in one pile, all of our little oranges in one pile. How many of these cute little orange ones do you have in your bag? How many of these cute little purple ones do you have? And you're going to keep sorting until you've got them all sorted. I'm not going to do all of these right now, but we'll just go with that for the moment. You're going to completely sort them all. So once you've sorted them, here's what you're going to do next. You're going to start by counting how many glass blobs there are all together. You're going to take the back of your grid and have your whiteboard, your dry erase marker, ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to count all of the glass blobs that I have all together. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to be making 5 fraction facts. 36 is the denominator. That's going to be on the bottom of your fraction. So we're going to see what kinds of fraction facts we can make. Let's see. I have 3 purples. 3 out of my 36 are purple. 3, there's your fraction. 3/36 are purple. Okay? So you're going to make 5 fraction facts with all of your glass blobs. Let's do another one real quick. Let's see, out of 36, I have how many of these little orange ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/36 are orange. Okay, so this is what that is going to look like. Now, after you've done 5 of those, you're going to do something else. You're going to just put all your glass blobs in a pile, and you are just going to randomly grab a handful, and you're going to take 10 of them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have my 10 here. We're going to do some more fractions with 10 as our denominator. So you're going to make your first fraction like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10. Let's see, I have 2 greens out of 10. So 2 out of 10 are green. Let's make another fraction fact with our random handful of 10 blobs. I see that I have 1 blue one out of the 10. So it's going to look like this. 1/10 of the glass blobs are blue. All right, so you're going to do 5 fraction facts with all of the glass blobs, and then you're going to do 5 fraction facts with your handful of 10 random ones. Okay, so that's going to be it for your fractions. So take your time with that step. And when you're ready, you can start the video again, and we're going to go on to the next phase of the lesson, which is we're going to do some multiplication with our muffin tins. So here's what we're going to do. You've got your muffin tins, your glass blobs. You've got your dice. So you're going to roll the dice. Looks like I have 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So there are 2 different ways that you can do this. You can do it by 4 groups of 5 or 5 groups of 4. They're going to be the same amount. So let's try this first one. We're going to do 4 groups of 5. 4 groups of 5. We're just going to randomly use these 4 groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 groups of 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're going to check with our multiplication chart. 4 groups of 5. And your answer is 20. See that? So we're going to do 5 groups of 4 now. Let's see what that looks like. 5 groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 5 groups of 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 again. So this is where you would be doing the other one. 4 groups of 5, and that is 20. See that? Same thing. All right, so you're going to do 5 of those. You're going to roll the dice 5 times. You're going to make the muffin tin array both ways. You're going to do either 5 times 4, 4 times 5 as an example. If you roll a 3 and a 6, you're going to do 3 groups of 6 and 6 groups of 3. So you're going to do that 5 times, and that will be the end of Glass Blob Math for Group B. Good job.